Beloma Island.
Temela, Oidel as, sen momes el alchilsen, ngania, gusto mo hanap ko lang at yan kami blow your mind at libre, kakakator ketok sa gina alchil, yan laptop eh.
Kita namu.
Namu.
Oh, namu.
Di kantor ya. Misal ni ya elak ko la. Ite ya te kan gina na misal do kami yan. Sama close up rock kami ngerti ni. Ya katri le ko.
Akid.
Ma sisang na ko kamera. Dia apa sta tadi ya opsi na mo. Bilo siya na uy. Bilo siya. Amang kati sambil kami story ya buk mani yang bikin tingam hukum kemensan kamu mau lagi aku udah sungai sama ini mana baik percaya
Oke, Ngewakl. Soal misalnya tiada show lagi. Mungkin rokok bertanya show mah udah soal mau keluar. Soal masalah tu, letiap luar ni. Di sel macam soal mau tercengah masih. Agar nomor dia kita nak filmatu episode al bangala tiada belul ada lemur terameli diul internet teman orang tu ya. Ada orang tele segu mesin segu tele waseng tele al abo mesin asyo lagi. Ngata tele al mana. Segu mesin ni apa agar nomor dia Sunday yang mal mal example aku mal orang tol meralme yang ngalinga blinker mana kulara abita na kanon. Blinker tu aku mahu mal men stop yang mal tok de meralme or bodi mai as manungi asyo. Kasi agiman mong ilan ang lagi hindi lo misal niya man mong ilan ang sila mo misal lagi mo mula sa mani om TLG del kung ay gal so ya kung daso sa di ang TLG program TL de mertiang ya man masada le nga amot o singer
of course ita ka
amal mo o singer ako de ending ani igil wa mo tigil no sisiu ng bigo sa ukmar tail generation mong ako lu malu merang lo sa ken tokol dol ko ay ka para di mulu rang lang ben lo kaya tiyan na balisiyo sa dia bu mesel ngi close to trail leng ngaring ya dia asab ilmu ay gen ngaran ngi mo buswi o merang trust tergi ma ultimate leader mo do mesel lo do de betang e dol ko ya bu merang ba sing ultimate o mesa ay gal toko ya ble lan ka adak mo na sa gal do apura casino mah, el sel di morrer de mo el mercado mo me la amdung ro hui atar lo se sab el gola el mel el mo ula sel di mo maka adi membera tial tol ga potol so tol bela tial o imam klem isek milul me mo tigeng ek segura la pasti nga katul di dela nga mak leng septa ada di mo to bu ka imora to mudu oringi soal tol mengupload wasa kabral di del boy atau di del boy ar pek teringi ar boy kumangal el sel belau mamla ultri de tuo el musigra au miltoman kita dah ada bertiang amal dia partiang lo tu berani di nak madu belo tolo kerti lagi di nak endi ngah umrah al wasa ngah adiriken aro umrah mah lagi dah belum sedora memang klub itu mulu asih oleh meral dia air melihat itu agak tol belo orang lain ada belum oil groom lagi dah parents lagi baru lagi dah men untuk lagi misal tarak misal lagi misal tel waseng ngap malu moro lagi narinya agak bukal lo mayas rak ngari lo labay lagi dah au ulo motor dah mais ding di different tamay lagi di tele atau memang klub nggak lagi rally man ay namo 18 lagi dikira del buy sel lora le ya malulu mo lol mais na el alta misel lora nagla kerbo dum endi ko dirham osus egam na libre mi dik wase gegi da gel everything starts at home and ding age sige da umra di tol wase ado bral dirigela ar paret sergi malu da dirigela ulu ko gi malu ada kida reflection da ro buy tol na happen da lagi den la ya ulah mo mengaktifkan sailing out of umisra viewers lagi dengan 1,700 amlo umisra show Emal tokal ada amleu mina andri emal relate emal mo mina andri wase ngani putringa. Ente ngani ni gelu imong amleu ngoro. Enga aku jadi personal opinion nga wase. Ak mo feel wase ko tral puli nga abodi ulur kia. Ente nga ate at evan stobrom era trigay gida dia otorari. Mong seguida ko kwali do so se soal emal mo na wase tiak to tutele. Leng important tadosa issues. Le diavolo at the end of the day. What do you more say?
Bueno, continue. Ako tedik siya special Palau water.
Palau water.
Meron dito siya ano lang yan. Na Seth Gulibert. Yeah.
Seth.
Seth.
Yan daw sa kanyang talent. Ding, tao, Palau. He also has yung di ba mong parang mong ganda. If he has sa opinion siya actually until fair set to just say it. But here's the thing, you come na mo legislator. So I think directly smart cell na ko lang other criticize. Kasi po mo kasi maybe he's trying to stop you. Nakakaka pa na perspective na. Nakasel ko lang other, when they call me, I said, buka lang. Pay you, I said, yes, tira audience. Tira na sa stop again. I mean, Palau, we have free speech in Palau. I said, stop again. Hindi, by suwak, said suumang, probably all of the message, even if they don't like it, even if they criticize. They'll criticize, I know it was a torrents, and at the end of the day, so, nakabila, community college na yun. So, community college is the study of communication. So, so one of my mass media class, professional, one of the things media and television and stuff, don't tell the audience what to think. They tell the audience what to think about. Hindi niya kasi yung chance sa mga others or hindi nga yung opinion nila hindi nila anything. Niya kasi yung chance na after na hindi send na nila ito, hoy, ako to kasi ang media, ang other mong das why get to hold us out. So bringing light to situation, media has always been for that. Kung news na bulag na yan, to see other news in Meleng, sorry, other sana like issue it. Whether you agree with that issue or against that issue, hindi na sel aisen tuwag. Alam tong most likely dia ka solution so and a way to fix the situation. So by manungit sel ko na ang fan na other to sa manunasyon. Hindi ka help na. Hindi ka help na attention. So Axel may other do kasi two things I like criticism is number 2 so ang other nyo kasi manunasyon ignoran nila ko sa dra. Ya kung wala ko sa dra part to topics we can get into the media, drugs, the hospital, the police station. But to nga issues sa sa. Di ko naman tika na sa ko tika mo ko ba menwa di wala issue git len sel the make it so we try or maybe we can fix it by doing this solution again na sa kasi but we do have the power and really other blue bottom that's why get issue Trigger kita ba ala maklisi, trigger ala maklisi with their hand in voting. Kani maklisi amo do senator tim mo do ano na may change trigger ya. So kita bigit na. Ese ya un important to amo plechon kita ya block to do because kani issues din na kada si. Ese ya undasyon titula Vierra la special government. Berarti naman meeting at yan ay maring na information like state government. Kami, kung problem ito, kung pertama mo na doon, di ko lo sige information like government yang maring yang uyak kwasen ta tomdas kwasen kagora
Akamal tamlamo mes suat tire tablet tire tat mes tanamo das lo sia do ul media lo todo o tube tire
ya like di ba
maka kamano sa inyo news sa do malum mo do kon regal o bis na state that tell ma information ni isil ko tong ko sa di blue nangat ma yung matamnom lo na kasi di tal ma blue ma kasi niya di tal ma wis pa kasi senda information ni kita mo sa edem ko guys kasi kita ko misering dire ngora tel teletaira Argulis. Nakala mo ang mga di Mr. Argulis yung mga message dati. Yung wala mo. Kung das yung kora OCCU, nakala di Mr. Alabidia sa yung aling mall. Itirkam lang mo. O, kanang mall ra ng rira. Social media, ikan di posta siya sing mga na. Yung lang usel mo mixer nila. Ada bukrulan ni beta. Betul oi sik septi se.
Pasal kita pun soal begini. Era tersorgin opinion show.
Opinion.
And masuk orang belum differentiated kia show mamaya lais. Selo mamaya lais kama mau kita mamaya lais. Lagi belum masih ngerasa yang suami doktor sel news. Sel hard news. But when it comes to kia show ya doktor bagus wen. Ngarinya difference na news sama ukti bagus wen. Jadi what we say here, ada news. We may respond to news or talk about as idea din nakakatagal mo sa akin. Hindi siya kung tutukan news, hindi we go out of our way. Losing, try to be as objective as possible. Sa yung kuro na may analyze. You know, mandiyan, I think here other people understand the same. What they hear about is akla, opinion ng Ambes, mga Joel, you know, Moses. But what they hear ay ngariya maybe that time mesela kung show mga mahal we talk about government stuff and then people get mad at me because mula press confession hindi lang mo kasi kung saan yung mahal because that was our opinions hindi po ka opinion na solution ma'am say hindi nga agad po lang hindi kung kira presyo kasi tingin na solution na tiyang actually implementing no. That's not much. Advisor to the president, hindi ako nalbon mo. O altawain niya lang kasi memory can mo will. Nangamon mo ba information o ganager, clarify things. And which is why Ngewakl, remember that time na ganager, tinito ko lang mo. Ngariya, ako example na sila, tayo na Oman.
Teme na ba?
Oman, Baratan. Oman, Baratan, nakakala kami titir Oman. Makmal, magiging pasing po sa Yung press conference o gusto mo na minister ng biyang o ganun ba siya makulang sa siya makulong sana ang pala siya na question mo ba yan ang press conference ole ang buhay sa iyo kasi hindi
ako tunyaw
ko niya di siya nga siya hindi respond sa iyo hindi na ako it's got to be the horse's mouth. Yan vertical mutuling at yan. They have to be the ones saying. Lesson and news. You know, that's why I try to go on a press conference after the organization book civil commentary or the issue na. But that's why I think I really think in the end some sort of somebody who works at each department of the government that can give away information. Akmal, sila ko na pulis ito kasi ang information. Like what the public information officer is information, then what's the point of the position assuming if you can't say any information?
Ako til Ngewakl. Ngewakl sel mani sel dilia former president na kamura. Sel Ngewakl ulit mga pamilya nakalulan lo SPG na. Yung kiniman ko sa sali ko mo matarayos. Yung sila din mo matarayos. Yus. Sel Bonchan yus and Bonchan yung aling matarayos. Yung gilad ano do. Gina mo nga mo dahil nga to sa water club mo kunyo nila Palau. Sige dia abulukut tial doru lesel di look e goren agula metti mo doctor da opinion lega to na straight question lo gena base ngara ul la mo positiva bulisel la methamphetamine e ngara na happen nganya ko ra repercussion ngara hindi to say wait gidira mo update ko mi error other na mo mala. And then we know for a fact that was ngani yar bulis in edio ay e pande mering la audio report mang bilu ta dudil they got a pay cut mlerio brider ti e ore emle nititril moramo el pasio el maurio mang ngani able lorit meringi tial dil el dio. And then when we come to this and tial ngage Ngewakl ula akmal di after that ya ngaka ang alika nakapil, binan biliwek lo waldiwe o baigel blowhorn speak ay mga rod biliwek o bila kalulaw niya milsang wasetyang na mo problem na blue belaw methamphetamine mang segi del march and biliwek maal da du rogi ya ulang bilu sella el mal al sila kalawin tara ko tumring na luul la na blue belaw 25 years malsim ya finally niya it's ridiculous in a good way. Lagi na din gira population lagi. Bisa to me important la manggilal nga niya kawa masel treta ila nga madikun mo atya. Madiwang basto yung mga iglesia el mga tadu nga kalbombre. Yung kunal mura blin mo do. Mo. Exactly. Say ako masiriya kasi ngeng awal to. Yang makakanya, mas nakakabuli. Malukot tiyan di ako mututak, malulingin, madingin, wasin. Nga niya, malala ka rin ilaw yun. Yan mga suus mo na tol, wasay. SMM mo, itutar mo ng muluraw nila. Because hindi ka mukatmok naman ang tilit-tilit lang yun. Mausingin, abuhay, lulingin, nataw. Amla mo, maliway nila tero. Siyempre, todo lulat na laman nila, hindi ka Ngewakl. Ulit, gel na gel ta. Tadi mo ikaw, sell title, sell brand name, si ano ba? Yung actress mo ito mala, ito ko wala, hindi ka ito si Vierra. Hindi yan. Kung bebilo yan, kaya ka trabli ito ma. Ang alam, mga lang alwasin, tangal gila. Sige na, ako mga lang alwasin. Kapag kalimi, swat al-help. Nga kamarang niya, swat tiyan, matmuk mo. Ilpol kutuk ko alwasin, mal nga niya. Bal example mo make sure mo say lakam mo away sel treta le mo bat sila kawya mangkana kawya oriot ya pagila o tinaka ko tel underpaid el bullies. I know that ko tel underpaid the overworked sel way say gid trigen mal la kalimi lo yo ra ko kayo kasi sel ba spread tial rogi del mo sa kanamo tadi puto bullies. Adi kan unfair mo trigen mal la kalimi lo lang kita betul tial bullies mal mal la kalimi lo yo bulu raw de protect lagi de destruir el club say mutu tao para que bulu raw de en dictam la us tial rogi el spread because en dia PIO el madi media kasi ay gagi matsuko mendia yang ang yung reason dia betul kasi
say that's the thing so positive and negative if you don't give information silence arise it's worse you know the reason why again big firms PR firms you know they need to especially someone like sumakol kung bali ginawa something bad happened to one of the products. They get ahead of the story. The McDonald's they start to before it becomes a big issue. Because if they remain silent, they're going to get eviscerated social media mania. And that's exactly what happens in now. Sell lang ito. So, they're social media, they're Facebook kasi. Hey, bulis lang social. You know, some innocents bulis naman bro, di ba kasi di ka itong ang kailangan ba yan? At ang social media, iba na oras sa tanga nila productive. and then it starts spreading and spread, and we. So I understand that. It comes all back to the problem of not giving us enough information. You see, kabis na negative story, but there are also positive stories.
Yes.
Di na kasodom na kasi nanya, we are going long the black nabit sa mga school. That's good news. Ang other man of us was saying, yes, aklak mo guys, pero kasi, negative stories sell. Yes, di na casual. We don't want to make some fluff pieces, So usually, di na klobas niya, saying that, there was a competition in high school students and blah, blah, blah. We need to get good news now. Of course, we were talking about this earlier, so yeah, he was doing that stuff before, but we never saw that shit on the news, so we can say that. That's how we get. Yeah, we never saw that shit on the news. But and the reason why we, but if we had better, if we had better media, then you wouldn't. So I are you the guy who did this and this? Because we would have, and he did a great job. Indeed, unfortunately, platform, nobody shined the light on that good thing. I mean, nobody thinks it's the same.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. There are other, that aren't celebrated enough for the works that they're doing.
I know, I see.
I agree that media really absolutely necessary to shine a light on not just government corruption or even government fallbacks, but also I think that also people who
entrepreneurs and stuff, people who do
There's a lot of people that do things behind closed doors and they don't do it in front of the camera. And I get what you're saying. And they do it. But they got really not I think you say
yeah. There's people. Not they said not the time, but there's people out here that do things for a purpose and not just for recognition or validation or even to make for financial means. They do it purely because just like you do, I'm sure you guys.
There's no money in this
world. I'm sure it's the most lucrative job right now, and at some point in the future, I'm sure it will be. Taking a million like podcast, sitting at a table and just talking and sharing opinions. It's a very popular kind of show, and it's all over. I think we definitely. I love you guys' show. After we message that episode, I'm real last year.
And let me give you an example. About 8 years ago, Oidel, the part ng Ngewakl, sige din. Other Ngewakl. Ngewakl, sige din. That program I started.
Okay.
Because I was once there.
Probation.
I was actually uluriol probation, and then yun mo our juveniles, and then militigarini passion ng mga amundim na kalmol, and mga amarurini, and no maknitra ulit. Yung mereda nga awal ng mga kalasitya conflict. Yung mga ginang probation officer, and then you're going around ahil pertil. And I didn't get that concept. Hindi kasi okay. So I resigned. And then I went and done it. Kaya Ngewakl. Talungab niya concept niya di ka aga Ramos Mer, and Rebecca Osiba. Gay, she spent her whole life in Sierra. Mong sila po kuliyo lo bangele, ay kimlet ang okle masado kasi maraming po mo luli. Ay kimisado tayo explain na concept tingin mo kasi lagi din mo niya okay. Come up with an NGO. Makasi marami. Kasi marami. Ubeng is the kind of the front. I say Ngewakl termina tuang la bela. Ay gal blar bela. Ya ubeng sel pada tuang. Ya ubeng amul nda atom do orinin makin. So ko sa apal mer mama kasi sel obra ubeng am dala tuang ubeng gide man mong deliver a message. Malu ko dem matroy and then you walk away. You don't stand there. Manuma.
Maubeng tele wal threshold, the threshold that I've like tele.
Yes.
The entrance, like
Yeah,
the
the
threshold
entrance.
to the entrance.
Yeah. So my whole concept was, bro, will mura al bus, go to jail and come out. You're standing in a pathway, and then you have a choice. Either you make this choice and join the rest of the society and be part of the society, or you make this choice and you go back inside. So that was the plan. No, message yan recycle. Ako message ni yan recycle. Let's say or abu, and then ako tutok. But I was actually stealing boo because I had no income and I was trying to pay a ticket that I got for DUI and I had to pay $50.
Right.
And I had a deadline, so I came I paid for it. What happened is I got caught again. So I go back in front of the court. What was $50 is now 30 days in jail and $150. So how am I going to get the $150 when I stole to get $50? I'm going to come back again and do it again. So I can see the cycle, and then I can see what's in you don't read. Maybe the give some of us when we fill up an application and do what's in. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? So the whole concept of the program was to find them jobs, footstep by footstep ahead to make that right decision. Give no contract or PPUC. There's a lot of these kids, work kids, that are now permanently Toyo, Manyarma school. And then I bring this whole up in Lanya, there's no about that is another one. Midran Mong and Moto Akle, Gal, Simrini, Manya graffiti. One of the things I'll do is the kid. What a mammy get what a message on our video chat. I say, hey boss, hey Gabo, Sabo miss, or what tell the wine, sidewalk. Come on. Sabo miss, one camera was saying, community college. I say, hey boss. Manusula minute program at adult time. So now I'm here and I'm gonna complete this. Yaman, but I say hal. I'm camera will do a graffiti, say clear. After a more school level moment, Emran name was probably in my stop a malo mystery, a malim and better see Mamma or book a mal oila. Young moment at last school is a got attacked or say a hospital. I gave it's better than any paycheck in this whole world. That to me, Maula ko man ang close to trade tiang maybe man nga 1% of the sing mo understand the was okay tiang tahi
Umiusak na ako.
Amara ubeng amlo o aigel gombali wagib go through ringi mo sabihin nga in although the meso is the self al harati kan because we did this without nothing.
Right.
So I made contracts with I got gombali. Ito to daw budil misel to daw adman bakne ako tinihet para dire surang din sa sel obis set po yung kapag Ngewakl almo kasi may siguro period in the application they help them fill up the application ko ni hierarchy mungkurang no ringi say little kasi agreement it was never an agreement but they knew what I was doing sel talbongan at helping matakan nga din ko el arma
Ang ganda lang ko kasi it seems to me kasi mataas na soil.
Yes.
Ding, I don't see how well now. And I think the problem is nobody's shown a light tila. At tila ako mo doon o tila mo to other nila.
Hindi nga program na ako, but hindi.
Well, we have a propaganda arm in the America. Maybe they should. I mean, they every Friday, maybe they should go out and. I mean, actually, push independent media. I want them to like us to go do PR for other firms and stuff. Hindi, get the type of story that for those pen, the media cover again. That's a front page story. And what he just said, everything he said, that's front page. The other one, money and put over other helpful. He said, it shouldn't, get other program and give not enough for helpful motivate. But
I think there's a lot of these things, eh. Alam mo la magkakala mal betul betul. I think alam mo la mal gura koblo sad hindi gura logi la no gire la bagi try ya. Sera close. You know sera close la bagi tayo no kita abuy mo aguk to misa sa di na close. Kalel maram aguk ti mesa sa gide mesa talistri o sa 19 ko lang lang kasi only age gide. But bagi ka mo close other man no emotional lo sa Leta pulo kasi Mediterranean ne close at yan kora weo tutul.
Senta ka rin, well.
Kaya ano mo ta ako. Kaya hindi na mo audio na. Ito din yung mo dapat.
Leng tigil misa la Mediterranean kasi tel Mediterranean jakat sa di pulo sing ne close di mesa sa ikide kita lo se. Kasi mesa tiang all the way back. Kailangan mo kulong kasi kung maulat yung doktor din mo mas kulang. Emles rin. Sabi ko sa kadra limam makadra limam the generation sa ulong magi talaras kulyar malgir rohoy. Matiyasil mo mong tabaringin tiya kasi dali mesal magi taryano kasi mo netkuso hindi mo na business. Tiya kadalala.
Igala kang takta magi.
Tigil rohoy adil no minaklang adil tirma no si mas kulil mamlo nga. Betul tua open because ada video yang bring lo magi tel mosoi seperti al mo otro magi tayo no kasi sendi mal mo tedi marro ya kalau apa bila pasio dong aku ke del mo ingili lo tra wala mo tra ke bebile ya dong ame ma alos lagi de maram you know all those things and mal kira ngora wal kira tron ni dal kira tron impact del nalini la mal mo trataban الأذن لا ما أذن أكو أنا أمي دفع قلبي بينا تبقى إسنا كان تاني سمعنا ده
دين فترة هذا ممكن على شغل الأباس دي you know قلت ما البيت تدور طبعا هذا شو ما عمل ده هي أقول كده طبعا مو بس عشان أفهمه
يس
شيء عشان PIDC
أكتر قبل فرامو على راس التل
PIDC you know جينا started patronizing our business below
yes
you know I'm sorry. Oh, Bangladesh, you know, they're just doing business. They give me a patronize I guess to at this. E mo montai se la cosa va no. Le come I got a store below se la ta ti di mal be altro. I guess to va se la va sei. Teman ala te era no que
open
ya e altro. I mean, you can't fault them for being business people, eh? Sila ada siya titilo ng ding given example should have been an example to other Palau stores you know may makitigil mo tao make it patronize kaya bila time sa liya kami na store namin sa ano ba mo may ito di po may yan til ka tumol lose to black to lose out I'm understanding hindi ano ko mo naka ay diba ano ko store ba mula ba sa dito no pala I don't care ang tilo mo ba kung alin na store ba lang I know ko na kasi
hindi ka lang mo sa store ba lang
na mo sa store ba lang I don't get the question ay diba you know telling us about this is like the 7-Eleven to a lot of Taiwan, it's everywhere. And it's convenience. I I know to ako yan. Hindi ka kasi yung flow ba na diya ako benar mga tingala ka. Hindi ka ako ng store niya. Hindi ko ba yung store? How do you benar niya ako really no benar store? You know, but don't just hire them. Let them run it. Then they can apply it. You know, tiga ulto to go again. Goes back to the point hindi ako to siya hindi kasi what the sa posisyon kasi yakwa di adas to di gasto. You know?
Yeah, so let's say ka kami dulu.
Nakalif.
Nakalif. Nangyari rin ato pera ng mystery. There's stuff.
Yeah, sometimes.
Di
But
nga
I was told lang sa may other way.
nakalif na hulurier Peter Piper pizza. Ada ko kasi kaya ko tulungin ang burger lagi. Yeah. If you don't get all over the place, it doesn't go in your face. No. Kaya clearly Carl's Jr.
Oh yeah.
Carl's Jr. If you don't get all over the place, it don't get all over your face. Hindi. Ako nung Carl's Jr. El Marido. Malakomi, ako na sel after, ako na sel before, I give you agad na yan, maraming ulo yung ulo ay Yoshinoya. Yun ang MSRL. Sel na kalbelaw, MSRL na kalbelaw. Hindi ako, Baldersta, ako MSRL. Kasi ito ang parking natin. Bago bata, mga ito ko mga. Sel mo may saige ya, to ubet sa saige luliyo, di lo laya, agra mo. Di ngay dito no sisi mga kalbelaw, lawyer office. Amot to bedi lumul mo na maligel. Yung pat sabihin mo maligel na magala. Ang pala ka problem. Ya dengan nak dalam halo-halo story lagi dalam malam. Saya ka insert ang morning. Kasi nga ulmo. Maling lagi da all your rabel water why say di da parang the below so maybe it's the pay.
I think it's partly pay.
Pride.
Hindi na katiyan mentality blah 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 ng dollar for workers to make. We get so many foreign workers and may raka mo. We find the jobs and tikmedong mo ati ng manager lang. Namumtong foreign workers and manager sa gasto. Bilisun manager? Ati yung manager sa amin na manager. You know, like, at what point ka na-stop niya? Maria, hindi ko sa ano alam ilang mo imagine ako kimura ko kumura binigyan ng wax schooling. Meron mura ka met mo yun, tapos niya yung schooling. That kid is gonna go back to the States, man. Master, wala ka ako, master, wala ka na. I tried to give him yan, kaya ka. Namo, wala, years no, you know,
Ngilal big enough stuff. You know, he's not thinking big enough. You know, there's a place in the workplace where practical wisdom is better than you know other talaga school and then mill. You know, doesn't have the workplace experience or the understanding of the way the office works or the way even the way they operate. So
Marami. But to that point, yung ulang kasi it's an issue. Gaya din si issue nga tingin ulmay. Let's say hindi ka daw because of that concept. And what's stopping him or her? Was say halibay mural. Tumbe solid hiring ina para American and mutul para. Sira ko naman yung kasi. Ginan mo rin yung ngil. There should be something in or system itself.
yeah, there's not a lot of opportunities like this. Like let's say Miguel or Mother Blue, if you get a job that may not be the job you wanted, or at least there's there's an opportunity to move forward, move up, gain a lot of experience. Like so.
I mean, it's kaya mo da electoral others mo but when sila lang lo sa da ignore it becomes a thing. I mean
like I said, we are the reflection.
Ako na sa Ministry of Iran, it's doing good work. It's trying to get, they got a lot of rule. But I think there needs to be more practical. Yes, the chance ala kung sa nang sense mo Together, Singing Palau and City Adra. Yeah, those are good. They're good policies, my young. Then until the change of mentality, together, other than Vierra, yeah. I'm not sure when Jackson Vierra again, plan implement. But I will say this: tell current administration, say what maybe say campaign. Say give it to our labor. Same as what I want.
Oh yeah.
Say I still think it needs a lot of work and it'll improve by leaps and bounds before it becomes a viable program. Then say one again idea and Ngewakl was say yes. Tell official labor has to be take the forefront of the travel employer and you know, before I tell it was important, you know. Oh, the Central Southern had for
Yeah, why say le para migil le the only labor office ako dali para migil. Mesti the bong mesti. Hindi na migil abang. Mesti rakmel to labor office ako temer bela do say labor office. Yung siya niya kan up tuluk wasi tiyagi. Lalu kasi ako dali kasi di tiya ko tiya mo dali. Maybe it's the same hindi to clearly mo isa titulen di ako dali. Hindi nga kamlo mo kung sige na boring yung man ngalis travel ro ko opening mga nga the moment they pergi ro sila you know that whole I think that's what they're trying to do now. Yeah.
Which is better now. We still have
the job placement.
Yeah, before the metal.
Ito ka mo na makala.
Sila before.
I get a do like tento. Yeah, ada mo may helper team resume and all those things.
Ela before the evolution yang di semi federal program and may sa close company di saya kira awal na expand ni Rubio saya kira yan track tailor ni mo ba so it still has a lot tamal tinggal audio niya mal bring talo si Corele but I think it still needs more ideas niya nga other mo they need to workshop a lot more ideas right now it's okay hindi na arbol by namumuna kasi tamingin siya waiting period ng bahay ng ilan dahil tuloy ngayon bakit encourage sa employers to start losing your job because ang business yung di po sige guys wala Manila mo the formality mo sa office again waiting period it's just a formality until mamalagyan kasi okay you know I think maybe move into like recruiting, start losing our skills up, you know, maybe instead of just listing the jobs, more out there, you know, will do there, so we understand them better, and then was then technically labor officer,
I like the way you said technically.
Labor office.
Labor office.
We already know how to do it. The formalized people. Access to my type of labor office. You know what I'm saying?
So is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I'm not. Who am I to judge?
Who am I to judge? So I moved to Marcel, the auto massage in the very beginning, tell me here's how I look at my point of view. Marcel, será que el buiga tu tamelegal mo kibla mo na school may lagi mori na sa sabras hindi na ang Bruno Odoy gilu stoa mo dili ang masaw ahu you know all those little things and gilan chores sel la do element moutel magilari rigi abla mo di mga nga ungin bilot mo di sel tu tial briga melam apart na chom siya imraton na mo din lagi mo sa sabras yang kabil na para sa ulmay mga alam nga mo sa sabras sila ka ba mapaltok ko na mo mura din lagi mo sa sabras din lagi mo to roy men alaming club say am agile de bru din lagi mo mura ko so what does he say hindi al tu ito siya di ko man musula ka digiya abla mo di dia Mula siya, ay nga ko madangin, ligang blaster dito roguy. Mato ko rin, mo madangin, manex, di mo next test yung nakasulit me. Adam rin, adam mula yung roguy muna mo roguy. Mlaman all beme, huli ko siya. Akat ang mga malameng kat mo roguy, mungkok madangin kasi ay nga siya. Sige na point lang ano kaya roguy. Diyak yang ektul wase diyan minimum wage sama na mo ring man na mo kurusi wase na rama akna bere draw lele ma iga bere draw lele le enul sandel le galak le das am le galak malakuran nak kono kono taw sel mo meserse me sanga sel di mosel dosada ni adres sel dosada yang adam sadra to ko ya kamla oy teaser rogi il dosada ni e ore mo example remember sel news el tilogra ma ulure da ortra to the news se le si il babier nga unanimous li si
sele ya
imalgen bui ma ablo nga mo to wasing nga was discharge all those things el dum. Instead of addressing all these things that complain, in the soil no fama to set tali de silva. Instead of Mr. Tel issue Rebecca other in Kabama situations, we were promised a lot of things. Magsuma making complain, and they can complain and say no, we're complaining because Diablo maldite. Umra al wasing Misapedal po Soaladaob yang kita kasi tuwan sa tinaka mong gilid namang sa book issue lagi ya wasi okay let tinaka gilid come up with the solutions because tinaka obtain tinaka nga naman at tinaka obtain nang gilid na sa issue lagi doon ko wasi okay what can we do to help them or you can come and sit right here ada hindi ba rin el main yang kita mong dalhin at tinong at akadin mong dalhin Maya mundelnya kerjaan mundelnya, mundelnya kerjaan mundelnya. Ding mondai, bal sebela. Ini barin better ni address baru bermusuhi dan remu. Di guru kau ni awase, kila asmal. Jangan tahu, ngaka ural mail, mana ngau gin bil mok. Oi, nama mok len, giren, mok lau ni. Digel dimna al mok len, blend promise sudah salik giren mail, semua siapa ras makaram. Lekin lama ada mal mok len, mail dimna lu. Saya kita mau ngobrol. Lihat tiada dalam liam nalu lihat tiada di mot tulungan kalau mo, mari kamu delingen, aja dulu pun begini dari mula tiada buat mo, ya tak mau utoi, segi dia pun pula tinggi, sen demi aku usah, ya dia usah dengan orang dia, baru aku usah dengan orang tak punta, pas saya kita mau delingen, heads pertama, masuk rumah mereka mula tak ini sih, ya dia kira del, sen dulu kalau ini, atau bela bukan bahasa sen crab mentality. Laro crab mentality. Awan darbo mana mo suelto la baguette instead of PI mo gila to tomatero o buto dentro gila. Seya, onda soya, abang ini dah. Seya kita dia kan kora pointers ada apa waktu mo se. Aku mo do.
Tidak, like I said, tidak. It's there needs to be a platform where everybody's heard. You know. Hindi akpay suaka por biota na ngatingal ko kasi hindi tatya kita sa MBA doktor na po sa yung ginan nga niya there has to be a way to better you know sa mura gide mo ya uno ko mong sabihin na ako
uno ko mong betansin sa tema na campaign.
Or kasi that pero naka-alis ka, you know, or just low press conference ng mga presidente, hindi mas kinatayaan mo, pinatan mo, kinakala mo, tayo mo, press conference, yung garagan, ba't iya presidente kasi, kinagyan ng mga legislation, tinakman nga orbihin.
Lateral minutes lagi deh.
Check, check.
After message.
Wala rin, Maria. Oh, 10 minutes again.
10 minutes. هلا ولا بالمول. اوكلا الان سيلسن ترى دي.
الان 10
الان 10
تايوان.
اكتوبر 10 تايوان Tan shobi na kalagay ka na etibek ka sa ide na kumisit.
Oh, okay.
Manggeba, malagay kasi yung kumisit yan, na malagay hindi ka na kasi. Tadi ko ka YouTube, makoy, blolobes.
Mo happy birthday.
Malagay ko is happy birthday mo na sa ide. Na kumisit lang 8 target ilalsits. Kaya kita message na kalau si can I get the Roblox gift card for my birthday? Baka say yes, okay, say give. Happy birthday mo rin. Yan mga kapulo, ilang kalagay mati mo kung tayo ka rin. Baka say na, kasi hindi na tansya bilang tayo.
Alam, hindi na tansya na tayo. So I want to take this opportunity to tell if anybody from Taiwan is watching, happy Taiwan Day. It's Taiwan Independence Day. So happy Taiwan Day. It's a 10-10.
10-10.
And yang tinggal niya, ati 10 minutes again. So let's take this time, ati whatever's on your mind, ati family. Your school, you can just, before we close. So just whatever comes to mind, that's what ati somebody.
Man, everything on my mind won't fit inside of 10 minutes, to be honest. Too much going on, too much to talk about.
Whatever you want to say, what the show or whatever you want to talk about, whatever subject.
But yeah, there was an episode. Right?
Yes, there is an episode.
Yeah, no, I almost said a second episode or October 3, right? That was your episode
Last week.
Yeah, I thought it was a great show. You touched on some good topics, but I wish could have seen you dive deeper into some of the topics you brought up. You brought up being a mental support dahil episode of Mirala's. Take note bisa mention cannabis and medical marijuana. Yeah, important. That's I'm sure that a lot of people would agree.
I think we just put the idea out there, and I'm not saying that we said that's why we want to do like an in-depth, not talk show per se, but so I'm more in-depth can put something together that we can, because I'm not saying.
I think we all have an opinion on it, and we all have had our own research. Because I have an experience when I lived in Seattle.
Experience?
No. Yeah, of course. But like you said, so in depth, that's an hour is not long enough.
No, but we can do other things that are in depth. It's good that you to give me ideas of and we create like a video maybe we'll make a video for the supporters to be tried, and maybe we'll interview a couple of towns too, maybe it's because hindi na open mo actually sa material pas na sa material topic ni tele na adi pro tele hindi mo sa approve nobody to check us, but I think it's a good idea, and I think I did try.
No, yeah, that episode you brought up a lot of important things that we talked about. Just couldn't solve mention it because I really think was a girl said I get told about the mal discussion. But also siya mo sa hospital, like sila ang magtra.
We got a little flack on that. But like I said, in general, it's just these are issues that affect the whether we're not trying to be political or anything.
Right.
I'm not saying make sure I have long everything. Getting trial, and yes, maybe they give us a solution, but sometimes we don't have a solution. I give them the problem or not.
Maybe this can put a microscope on it so we can pay more attention to it and make fix it. Because we're all gonna one day be there. There's no skipping there.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thanks
for coming. This
is the adik kuas alam lu kasi kaya mal open sen to ka microphone mo ba or na to ka microphone mo ay buli ka mo to
ka mo file
ay malin ba tayo na sa mo to ready usually set to stay ay lagi ini nggak film ini semua mulai bu. Lagi film ini adalah usually earlier in the day. Ilang about 6 o'clock lagi mo edit the day to the 8 o'clock. Oh, maybe 7 o'clock lang. Naman mo. Malim na intentional siya di na mo tulad kami na dias mga para si mo. Ako mo kaya na o'clock lagi na mo yung edit. Yung tima magpupol nga sa kami na. Dami na mesra.
Oh, ilang din mo krong singa mo ni lege, mo ulit singa mo lege. Ano lang siya bigla.
Kasi ito ka Bruce. Eric, kung sila kaya mo na ako gusto na tiyan.
Ela mo nga.
Pero kami nakakabiskil ako irap sa anak ko. Dala ito minutes ako.
So makamal malungi lang ko na adel ni amin. Sure gile leave their comments at suko mong kawa at tima benol tangklem ng messenger at TMC. Si TMC at Talungab.
TMC. Talungab pala ng TMC.
Oy, Talungab malu ben TMC. If you wanna hide your name, so ang book mo wala to swim. Ko na may ya kada mal in
fact na ya gamit na suwal halat hindi ilang mo nagsisyon. Manangil wa to idea ni.
Oy, tira lang isa.
Hindi, al mo nagsisyon man na amount I'm sure it's 1 hour na usada. Di yate mam at di yate mer mahalang ko sa program.
Ale Madilas.
Tama, ali ko na lang.
Oy, when we say muna like elementary school, it's a riddle that I usually give them before I speak in school. Iti al riddle al biska ka o ta shout out to Oliverang ng San Diego. Maramong yung maskak min ay bibelaw na ubes ng Nutella. And the riddle goes. But the riddle goes, what is greater than God, more evil than the devil? The rich want it, the poor has it, and if you eat it, you will die. Let me say that again. What is greater than God, more evil than the devil? The rich want it, the poor has it, and if you eat it, you will die. And the study behind that riddle was almost 98% of all kindergarten students got the answer in a blink of an eye. Yeah, 98% that are who Ivy League college student did not get it. Nothing. Because it's when you're young, you're taught black or white. There's no gray area. When you live through this life, you analyze every little thing that is being asked. Instead of saying your name, you analyze every little thing. Black. I mean, come on. Saya kuat di mulut kau, mau sih berapa? Program ini.
Masuk ya, Vierra. Om salo mes jadi one conversation between friends.
What is it?
Jangan salah ya.
Sorry, I ruined your punchline.
No.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Pon sa iwe mo tu chan kamera next Tuesday. Ginadi siya kasi mo o'clock, o'clock di siya lang. Hindi mo sumama live. Live ay mo siya temel so midtime it can be public earlier. Elan di kamam alam mo na mamara ko hindi kamam ko tiya edit ni. Kaya para uspe di kan di mo biyo to kamam. Anyway, mam sa mes ma next